Hey, it's Brian with Kentucky Typer. I was just working on the Smith Corona Silent Super this morning, and I'd run into an issue with the type basket. Something was blocking it from returning all the way up when the shift key is released. It was stopping just short of that, maybe about right there or so. And so, as I began to kind of figure out what was going on with it, I remembered that I had seen this, I think, once before. And so I thought I would maybe make a quick video in case you might run across this issue. So you see this backspace lever here. It runs through there and up over the star wheel and just short of the line lock right here. And when I got to looking at it, what happened was this lever was extending past where it should, and it was getting behind the line lock there, and that was keeping the type basket from being able to seat properly. So all I did to fix it was I put a slight bend in it so that it stops now short of the line lock, and the basket moves freely like it should. Anyway, I just thought it might be helpful to make a quick video about that. It's a simple fix, but not super obvious if you've not run into that before. So anyway, hope it was helpful. If you have more questions, you can reach me at info@kytyper.com. Thanks.